Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Red Dirt Rods. Now today I'm doing something a little bit different. We're talking about tools. And I want to show you guys something that every gearhead at one point or another has needed desperately when they're working on a project. Especially with today's modern vehicles where everything is so tightly packaged, there's no room for anything. Well, Tite-Reach came up with the solution, and that's this horizontal extension bar that uses a standard 3/8 socket. They also have 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. And we've got our 3/8 drive right here. Snap it in. Works just like that. It's perfect for getting into those tight reach spots that are so difficult with a regular ratchet and socket. Now this one is part of their master kit, which comes with these magnetic sockets, just like that. It stays. So it makes it easy to get everything set up in really tight spots. So I want to use our LS mock-up engine to show you guys kind of how this works. So let's step over here and we'll show you guys how to use it for your project. Alright, so we've got our standard Tite-Reach unit here. This is a 1/2 inch socket. You can use these with any socket. When you buy the regular one, it comes with adapters. It even has hex adapters, which is pretty cool, but you can use, there's a 3/8 to 3/8, 3/8 to 1/2 inch, and then 3/8 to 1/4 adapter. The other cool thing about these is this will handle 400 foot-pounds of torque. So you can get to most anything taken care of with one of these. Alright, so we've got our LS mock-up on our bench here, and we're just going to show you how to use this, removing these manifold bolts. So this is the standard unit, the full-size piece. Now with this 1/2 inch socket, it's a little tight with the size of the head to clear this. So sometimes you do have to use an extension, or you just use the 3/8 adapter and a regular socket, and this is a mid-length socket, and that guy will go right on like that. Then you just hold this, and it's just that easy. So we're going to tighten that one back up. Okay. You also have a 1/4 inch version. Now I don't have sockets for the 1/4 inch version, so you have to use a little socket adapter. These are brand new and they're really nice and tight. Then we'll use a 1/4 inch ratchet and do the same thing. Now inside here is a chain that goes all the way around and 2 sprockets. So there's no slop, there's no play, it's nice and tight, and it's easy to hold. You don't have any, there's no funky physics to this thing or anything. It just works. It just works. I also want to show you this extension clamp from Tite-Reach. This is a really cool piece. It's very simple, but it solves a major problem. How many times have you needed to hold a nut or a bolt up under the firewall or something like that, where you can't really get to it very well, or you're working on a fender or something like that, and you need to reach up inside the fender with a nut and tighten with your other hand? That's where this guy comes in. It's just got this really simple claw. Take your nut, you unthread it down here, so this just slides, okay? Hold it tight and then thread the little knurl right there. And then you can put this wherever you need to, and it gets the job done. Let me show you one more really cool way to use this extension clamp. These spring steel hose clamps are the bane of every DIY and professional mechanic on the planet. I hate these things. Yes, they work well, but they are really difficult to remove and install. unless you're a professional mechanic, you probably don't have the specialty tool that you use to install these. And even that tool is really clunky. I have one. I don't use it that often unless it's a really difficult to reach clamp, because it's clunky. It's a big cable. I don't really care for it. So you can use the Tite-Reach Extension instead. So you take the extension, you open it up, you slip your clamp in, and then you just tighten it up. Okay? Alright, so now not only can you hold this and install it, not have to worry about dropping it, but it also gives you some leverage so that you can work that clamp onto the hose and let it off nice and easy, and you're done. Handy tool. I'm glad I picked these up from Tite-Reach. So the 1/4 inch Tite-Reach extension is good to 40 foot-pounds, and honestly that's about all you should be doing with 1/4 inch anyways. Like I said earlier, this one is good to 400 foot-pounds. And here's something that you might not have thought about. They say you can use it with an impact. So let's see. Yeah, it's off. And that's about as easy as it gets. That's pretty slick. I like this. You'll be seeing these a lot more in our videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Let's make magic.